Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Muna, and today I'm sharing something that completely transformed my natural hair journey: fermented onion juice. Yes, you heard me right. Not just the regular one, no, but the fermented type. Stay with me because this might be the hair growth secret you have been praying for. Now let's take it back a bit. I was dealing with serious breakage setback and my edges were on annual leave. Then I stumbled across this onion juice recipe and I was like, fermented ingredient. But I was desperate and I said, why not? Let's give it a try. Let me walk you through how I prepared it. I took one large red onion. You can use any onion of your choice, either white or brown, whatever. But the red has more sulfur, so I prefer using the red. So you can see me now, I'm trying to take off the peels and then wash it thoroughly. Wash it very thoroughly and clean. Like so. So I'm slicing it now. I'm trying to cut it now into small sizes, just small sizes, so it will be very easy for my blender to blend it. That is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to cut it into tiny pieces. Why fermented onion juice, you might ask? Fermented onion juice can be beneficial for hair growth due to its high sulfur content, which is a key component in keratin, a protein essential for hair. The fermentation process can potentially enhance the availability of these beneficial compounds. And additionally, onion juice contains quercetin and sulfur, and these compounds may improve blood circulation to the scalp, nourish hair follicles, and also can help combat dandruff, which could hinder hair growth. So now I'm putting the cut onion into my blender for us to blend. So I'm adding a little bit of water to the blender so it will help with the blending process. So I'm going to cover my blender like so, and then we would blend. So I'm done blending it into smooth so texture. But I saw that it was actually very thick, so I decided to add a little bit of water into it so I could get more juice. So I'm using my wig cap right now. I'm using it to sieve off my juice. You can use a filter, a sieve, whatever you have. You can use it, provided you are able to get your liquid or your filter it. So that's what I'm doing now, like so, trying to get enough juice that will use for my hair. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have tried onion juice. Let's know. So keep watching because we have not gotten to the tea of this process. So now I'm gonna be adding salt. That is not just an ordinary table salt, but this is sea salt. So I added sea salt to it, and then I added a tablespoonful of honey. Please try and get authentic honey. So this is what will help the fermentation process. So in the description box, I'm going to put everything, all the information you need to know in the description box below. So I've covered it now and I left it for 48 hours. I didn't just cover and left it like so. I was checking back like that. Checking back, because if you don't check back on a regular basis, it will definitely build motes on it if you just leave it like that. So I was checking and all that. So This is after 48 hours. Now I have sieved it. Now I'm putting it in my applicator bottle. The applicator bottle will help me apply it very well in my scalp and pass every follicle of my hair. So that's what I'm doing. So now it's application time. Like I always say, pay attention to how you section your hair. So that's me. I've sectioned my hair. I work in section to make it easier for you to reduce your work time and also reduce the amount of breakage you would get if you work in section. So I'm applying it now, as you can see, on my scalp, because that is where the magic happens and that is where your hair grows from. So you need to pay attention to the scalp. Is the scalp I applying this very well on my scalp? So after working on each section, I will twist that up and then move to another section. So do you work in sections or you just leave your hair in afro? And then let me know in the comment section below. Well, everybody to his or her own, but I prefer working in sections. So I'm done working in all sections. So I'm massaging it now like so thoroughly on my scalp. And the next thing is putting on my plastic bag for that heat. My low porosity sisters, you know we need heat, so everything can actually penetrate very well. So while I'm waiting for 30 minutes for the onion juice, you can wait for 30 minutes or at least an hour, it all depends, but I just did for 30 minutes. So I'm going ahead to prepare my black tea that I'm going to use to rinse my hair. So guys, after just 2 weeks of doing this once a week, I noticed my hair shedding reduced drastically. So here's the thing, don't expect a miracle like overnight. Consistency is key. So try this out and let me know in the comment section how it goes and if you're going to try it. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you all next time in another video. So this is me actually using my tea rinse to rinse my hair. See you guys in another video. Bye.